Right, thanks for joining me out on the bank. Today I'm going to take you through fishing up to features, getting nice and tight, but make sure you're doing it in a safe way. We don't want any tackle left in trees, that's not good. And we want to get as tight as possible. So today I'm going to try and show you exactly how to do that.
So we make our first cast just with a bare lead and purposely fall about a rod length short. So we estimate how far short we've come and we pay off the reel still less than we think we need to. Remember, we're being conservative with our estimates here. We want to creep up to the feature. We then put the line in the line clip, ready to make another cast. So you'll have probably fallen short again slightly, but less than last time, so pay off a little bit more line off the spool and reclip it. Then take another cast and you should be getting really quite close now. And just repeat this process and edge up to that feature until you've got it absolutely bang on. Next thing to do is to get your distance sticks, put them in the ground a rod length apart, then start wrapping your line around the distance sticks, obviously with the bail arm off, and when you eventually hit the clip, you'll have counted how many rod lengths it has taken to hit the clip, and therefore how many rod lengths it is to the far bank. In this situation, it was 12.5 wraps to the far bank, and now I know that I'm going to be able to hit that mark time and time again by simply wrapping the line around the distance sticks 12.5 times, putting it in the clip and then casting out. All that's left to do now is to attach our rig.
So there we go, a simple rig, a hair rig boilie that's on test for bad angling. Let's see how that goes. We've got a wide gape hook just with a little kicker, stripped back bit of coated braid, about 7 or 8 inches of that, up to a lead clip system and a 2.5 ounce lead, naked tail rubber just to try and make sure it doesn't all tangle. So let's drop that on the spot over on the far bank. All I'm going to do is clip on a meshed PVA bag. So like I say, these boilies are on test for bad angling, but I've got to say they look and smell absolutely spot on. Like I say, we're going to crush them up, not too fine, like this, and then we're just going to put them inside a PVA mesh bag.
All we've got to do now is cast out, this time slightly overestimating the cast, knowing that we're going to hit the clip and drop perfectly into position. Remember, when you are fishing hard up against features, the fish isn't going to run. It's not going to take a lot of line. Watch the bobbing closely here. You'll see it just tightens up.
It's on. Happy days, fish on that far bank spot, nice and accurate, hard up against the far bank there. The importance of getting it absolutely spot on and accurate. Well, those bad angling boilies have worked. Christ, it's only been in the water about 15 minutes or so. Right, he's woken up a bit. Fantastic. Oh, lovely bit of winter carp action. How fantastic. And that's just boiling under my feet. It came in quite easy to here, and now it's just starting to give a bit of a ruck in the edge. That is awesome. See what we got. Yeah, looks like a nice little one. Lovely, lovely fat little mirror. I'll tell you what, it's the end of January and it is cold. It is freezing. That's just a single one of those bad angling boilies with a tiny mesh bag, and I think you're mine. You are mine. Superb. How's that? What we got? Yeah, nice chunky mirror. Lovely. How's that for a little winter corker? The result of fishing nice and accurately up to a feature. Got it exactly where I wanted it. Just nudged up right to the far bank. And this little beauty ripped off. Lovely to get fish in winter.